Student, now we are going to learn about the versatile nature of the carbon. We know the carbon symbol is C, and there is the 4 electron its outermost shell. That means the valency of carbon is 4, or that it completing their outermost shell by the sharing of the electrons. So first versatile nature of the carbon is the tetravalency. The valency of the carbon is the 4, and by making of the covalent bond, it's completing its outermost shell. Another versatile nature of carbon is the catenation. What is the catenation? The linkage of atoms of same elements. Linkage of atom of same elements to form longer chain, ring or the branch is called the catenation. Catenation means linkage of atom of the same element. For example, one carbon is there, it will be share of the electrons and it make the long chain of the any compound of the carbon. So that is known as the long chain. This is the example of long chain. Carbon having the unique property, with carbon atom to carbon atom it can share and form a compound. Either the long chain, this is the long chain. What is the branches? Suppose one carbon and already is the, this is known as the branches. So it should be the branches also and long chain also. This is the branches, and carbon not only the branches and long chain, it can be also ring form. While sharing of electron it will form the ring form. तो कार्बन की जो टेंडेंसी है वो कार्बन में आपस में इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर करके कंबाइन होकर के और वे लॉन्ग चेन, ब्रांचेस या रिंग जब बनाता है उस प्रॉपर्टी को हम बोलते हैं कैटिनेशन. और ये जो प्रॉपर्टी है कार्बन का, इसी को बोलते हैं वर्सटाइल नेचर ऑफ कार्बन. और दैट्स वाई कार्बन जो है एटम बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. अर्थ क्रस्ट आल्सो हैविंग द कार्बन compound. In our body also having the carbon compound, either the carbohydrate and protein, all are the carbon compounds are there. Hydrocarbon also, hydrogen and carbon atom made the hydrocarbon also, the carbon compound. Alkane, alkene, alkyne, all are the carbon compound. Even the carboxylic acid, ketone, that also the carbonic acid are there. So that's why the carbons having the nature, they can make the long chain, either the branches or the ring with sharing of the carbon atoms. Between the carbon atom sharing the electrons and form the long chain. That tendency is known as the versatile nature of the carbon.